So today we are in Ortigia. It's in Syracusa, a fantastic island with typical Sicilian Baroque style. And this is a place where you should get lost in the alleys. And I will show you all around a little bit. And let's get in love with this fantastic place. The sun is balming, so... of Apollo, most ancient Doric temple in Sicily, dated to the 6th century before Christ. This place has been through a lot. First, it was closed during persecution of pagans in the end of Roman era. Then it became a Byzantine church, then Islamic mosque, then Norman church, then Spanish private houses, and it has also been a military center.